The story of Buddha, known as Gautam Buddha, is one of the most revered tales in human history. Born as Siddhartha Gautam in ancient India, his life journey from prince to enlightened teacher has inspired millions across centuries. Here is an elaboration of his story. Siddhartha was born in Lumbini, in present-day Nepal, around 563 BCE. His father, King Suddhodana, wanted him to be a great ruler and shielded him from the harsh realities of life. Siddhartha lived a sheltered life within the palace walls, surrounded by luxury and opulence. However, as he grew older, he began to question the purpose of life and the suffering that existed beyond the palace gates. At the age of 29, Siddhartha ventured outside the palace grounds and encountered the four sights: an old man, a sick person, a dead body, and a wandering ascetic. These experiences deeply moved him and made him realize the inevitability of old age, sickness, and death. Determined to find a solution to human suffering, he renounced his princely life and set out on a quest for enlightenment. For 6 years, Siddhartha practiced extreme asceticism, subjecting himself to severe self-denial and deprivation. Despite his rigorous efforts, he found no answers. Realizing that extreme practices were not the path to enlightenment, he abandoned asceticism and adopted the middle way, a balanced approach between self-indulgence and self-mortification. Sitting under a Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, Siddhartha entered deep meditation. On the full moon night of Vaisakha, he attained enlightenment and became the Buddha, which means the awakened one or the enlightened one. He gained profound insights into the nature of suffering, its causes, and the path to liberation from suffering, the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are the foundation of Buddhism. 1. The truth of suffering, dukkha. 2. The truth of the cause of suffering, samudaya. 3. The truth of the end of suffering, nirodha. 4. The truth of the path that leads to the end of suffering, magga. The Eightfold Path comprises 1. Right understanding. 2. Right intention. 3. Right speech. 4. Right action. 5. Right livelihood. 6. Right effort. 7. Right mindfulness. 8. Right concentration. After attaining enlightenment, Buddha spent the rest of his life teaching the Dharma, the path to enlightenment, and guiding others towards liberation. He traveled extensively across the Indian subcontinent, preaching to people from all walks of life: kings and commoners, ascetics and householders. Buddha's teachings emphasized compassion, mindfulness, and non-violence. He encouraged his followers to cultivate wisdom and inner peace, leading to a profound transformation of the mind and heart. His teachings were not based on blind faith but on personal experience and rational inquiry. Buddha's discourses covered a wide range of topics, including ethics, meditation, psychology, and philosophy. He spoke about the impermanent nature of existence, anicca, the interconnectedness of all phenomena, anitta, and the law of karma, the principle that our actions have consequences. One of Buddha's most famous sermons is the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta, where he delivered the first teaching of the Four Noble Truths to his 5 former companions in Deer Park, near Varanasi. This event is known as the turning of the wheel of Dharma, marking the beginning of his public ministry. Throughout his lifetime, Buddha performed numerous miracles and engaged in compassionate acts to help others. He welcomed people from all backgrounds into his monastic community, Sangha, and encouraged them to follow the path of truth and righteousness. Buddha's teachings spread far and wide, reaching countries beyond India and shaping the cultural and spiritual landscape of Asia. His message of peace and wisdom continues to resonate with millions of people around the world, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. In his final days, Buddha attained parinirvana, final nirvana, at the age of 80 in Kushinagar, India. Before his passing, he reassured his disciples that his teachings would be their guide after he was gone. His last words were, "All conditioned things are subject to decay. Strive on with diligence." Even after his physical departure, Buddha's legacy endured through his teachings, which were passed down orally and later written down in scriptures such as the Tripitaka, 3 Baskets, and the Mahayana Sutras. Today, Buddhism remains one of the major world religions, with millions of followers seeking enlightenment and inner peace through the wisdom of the Buddha.